What's up, everybody? It's your boy Mike Lay all day from On Point Tech Solutions, and today I am going to show you Ask AI from GoHighLevel. It's crazy. It's like a whole new thing for your CRM where the AI literally just takes over your whole CRM, reads it, and understands all your customers, all your people that come in through leads, right? And also, it can do much. So today, I'm going to share with you what it can do and then also share with you how you can utilize it in your business today. So let's just hop into it. Ask AI from GoHighLevel. So let's go. So right now, what I'm doing is I wanted to send one of my clients a YouTube video through email. So it looks like it found the contact and it found the person. Now I just gotta ask which one it is. Boom. It's gonna be this one. Hey, look, it says what? Ask AI can control your browser. That's new. So I don't know about that, but we'll install that a little bit later. Anyways, don't mean to get off subject here, but sometimes high level always updates and does really cool things. But imagine this. What? Ask AI can control your browser. Wow. Okay. Learn about that later. So here's the email proposal for your approval, right? So here's Jordan's email connecting using API keys from On Point Tech Solutions. And then it's just made it for me, the email. I just told it, and then here it is. It looks good. No, go ahead and send it. And that's it. So you can actually control everything in your CRM using Ask AI, right? So Ask AI, how you're going to get there is this. It's usually right here on the top. If you don't have it yet, it might be stuck in your labs. So go ahead and take a look at your labs and turn on some of the things that you see in here. And eventually you'll see an Ask AI if you don't see it right now. But I think it's down here somewhere. Here's AI Studio. Let's see. If it's not in your labs, it might already be turned on and you just have to go and turn it on. Different agencies will turn on different features and turn off different features. So if you have one of those accounts, then you might be out of luck. But if you do have a regular high level account, you should be able to get the Ask AI. Okay. So it comes with it. It's just part of the CRM, but it works best when there's data in there, right? So you got to have contacts, you got to have people in there, and it'll work really good. But not only that, it has templates. So actually, let's take a look at some of these templates right here on what you can actually do, right? There are so many things. Let's start with communications. Look, you can do communications in here. You can purchase for a phone number and complete regulatory requirements if needed. Wow. Okay. So register your brand and SMS campaign with the US carriers, your Facebook account and link pages, and enable Messenger and Instagram DMs. Look at this guided walkthrough to write your message and select the contact segment. So you can do like messaging, bulk messaging. Okay. In your CRM, you can connect your Google account. Looks like you can create custom object schemas. That's really cool. You can create folders and custom fields really quickly. So if you had like maybe something like a contact sheet, you can like take that contact sheet, upload it, and it should go ahead and fill out your whole CRM with the right fields. That's very cool, very important that you can do something like that, right? So all you have to do is take your CSV file, upload it, let it know that you want to upload it all into the system and that you want to keep all the fields together, and it will come and create all the fields for you and match it all up for you. I think that's going to be very powerful for you when you first start using the CRM, right? So that's one really cool thing. All businesses and location and inspect one in detail. Lots of cool things to kind of go through, right? We got AI agents. You can figure out your own AI agents, so you don't really need a whole agency to come and figure out how to do and create AI agents for you. You just ask it and follow the instructions, right? Integration. So you can integrate with different things like Facebook. So a lot of people like to do Facebook lead capture, and you want to go ahead and click this and be able to connect your leads into your system, right? And same thing with Google. You want to be able to do that and put them into your system so you're able to not create more, but to organize your leads coming in, right? Because you don't want to not know where they are coming from. Looks like you do payments on here too. Lots of different things that you can do. Create pricing offers, create shipping zones, create products, invoices, connecting to different payment systems, all that stuff. So this whole thing is all covered by AI and you don't really have to do much. Social media is a big thing. I'm currently using social media heavy right now and I'm doing something a little bit different, but this look at this. You can literally post, you can literally link your pages all together, create a blog site, and have it right on schedules, okay? Because this thing can also schedule tasks. So you can create scheduled tasks and have it bounce every day. So every day, if you wanted to, you can write a blog, send out an email, send out text messages, do all sorts of things for your business, right? So those are pretty cool. Let's see what else you can do. And as you can see, I've been using it to build different things. And to be honest, you can pretty much put anything in here and just ask it. And at least they'll give you a pretty solid answer on what you can and cannot do. And if you don't know what else it can do, you just ask it what it can do. And it can pretty much do anything. One thing I want to tell you guys about AI, you don't ask it, you tell it what to do. So once you tell it what to do, and that's very important, guys. You gotta tell it what to do. Okay. Once you tell it what to do, these super agents, the AI agents, can go ahead and do those things. Like your assistant, if you need to book an appointment, you can. You just have to let them know which calendar and who and what time. Same thing, you would have texted your assistant. All this stuff you could do right here on the plus on your phone. You have Ask AI too. So you can literally have it on your phone and your mobile app and be able to talk to people using that. It's amazing. We use it in our business all the time and I'm just able to kind of keep up with all my clients and my customers through the system. So that's what's great about these type of systems, right? And they keep upgrading and Ask AI is a pretty new and high level. So, and this one little product right here pretty much can do quite a lot of things. Like it can even do sales pipeline, right? It will move and update your sales opportunity for you. It could do some marketing for you. You can create brand voices for your websites. You can upload videos. You can upload images, videos, all sorts of things. This one is cool, scan your website to generate a brand voice and memory. Oh, it was coming soon, but persistent user preference or personal detail across sessions. Wow. And like I said, it keeps upgrading. So we can install this right now and it looks like it's a extension. Manage your extension. Cool. Okay. So now let's go back. What would you like me to remember? Perfect. Oh, this is cool. This is like a little note. Awesome. Like, yeah, you can like save. It looks like you can save memory so it remembers different things about you and your business. Like I said, we're all still playing with this. There's a lot to learn. The best thing you can do is run it through your SOP and see what it can do for you and see what Ask AI can really make a difference in your business. Ask it and tell it what to do. And I promise you, you'll see some cool things come out of it that will help you. Not all the features are very helpful, but a lot of them are. You just have to figure out what it is that you need to use in your business. There's a lot of things in the high level, lots of bells and whistles, but Ask AI is going to be one of your partners in doing in this right now. So keep asking it questions. See, like I said, this one was I asked it to book a consultation, a discovery call. So I got that going, right? Content calendars, you can start making things like that, making tasks and asking about tasks, all sorts of things. It knows so much. So give it a shot. Ask AI. Next time you see me, I'll give you guys some cool prompts. Prompting is always the toughest thing in this industry. But once you learn the prompting, it's really easy. So anyway, guys, thank you for watching this video all the way to the end. As always, thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, On Point Tech Solutions. My name is Michael once again, and I'll see you again.